Hello once again guys, Craigo here and welcome back. So today, 5th of November, which means in the United Kingdom, and definitely England, fireworks night. Now for you who don't know, it's basically a celebration or memorial to an event that happened in London. A guy called Guy Fawkes tried to blow up the Houses of Parliament. Luckily he got stopped, but it's pretty much in a nutshell what we celebrate. And so we go crazy and put some colours in the sky and scare all the pets and children. So let's go and hit the garden and we'll go watch Craigo's Spectacular. Fucking cold out here. Don't know what it is.
You're not doing a selfie, are you, Craig?
Video?
It's gonna shoot, it's gonna shoot, it's gonna shoot. That's not
No,
gonna
just
die.
figure
That's Vesuvius.
Oh, missed that one.
1 hour, I'm sure. 1 hour. You think it could have a little puff at the end? Never mind, it's pretty. They must have names, and they've not got names on them.
No, I have.
Oh. Like the others, but a bit bigger.
So that's Magical Castle.
Yeah.
But the others were...
It looks just like a castle.
Hey, same.
They do, they're all the same
They
colour.
put 4 in.
And that one's got a nice flame.
Ooh, let's put it in the box.
Oh, slightly different. Getting faster and faster and dead.
I like the ones.
Whoa!
It's a pretty one.
Whoa!
Come
Oh!
on, 3. That's the best. 4. 5.
Now you start.
The trouble is you're going too high, Craig.
Did you like the fireworks? Did you like the fireworks? No, headbutt the screen. Poor cats don't like fireworks. Look, there's one hiding under here. You ain't Mia. Mia.